Last month, an AI designed a wireless chip so bizarre, human engineers can't even read the schematics. Does that mean your electrical engineering degree turns to dust by 2040? Actually, this could create the biggest opportunity in decades. I'll explain shortly. You'll see three pieces of evidence that prove electrical engineers are safe. Discover the one skill that future-proofs your career, and learn a surprising statistic that turns the AI fear-mongering upside down. Imagine a first-year engineer, Jack, 2 a.m., staring at Cadence Cerebrus cranking out 200 PCB layouts. I'm obsolete, he sighs. But here's the twist. Deloitte's 2025 outlook calls these tools powerful aids to human engineers, not substitutes. They still need Jack to set constraints and validate results. Firm, IEEE dropped this reality check. AI alone isn't ready for chip design. The reason? AI algorithms crash and burn on complex heat budget trade-offs and electromagnetic interference constraints that veteran engineers recognize by instinct. Problems that require years of hands-on experience to even identify. The winning strategy? Become fluent in electronic design automation AI prompting. Treat these tools like you would a gifted junior engineer. Guide them, don't let them drive. Quick check. What task would you hand to an AI first? Schematic capture or compliance docs? Drop it below so we can tally real time. To a storm-damaged hospital. Power is down, generators humming. Who's legally on the hook to sign off the temporary fix? A licensed professional engineer in responsible charge. By law, that duty cannot be delegated to software, period. Fast forward to 2035. You're the licensed engineer commanding an army of inspection drones like they're your sidekicks, while AI crunches all the technical calculations behind the scenes. Think Tony Stark with his AI assistant Friday. You make the big decisions, AI handles the grunt work. So, if AI can't replace on-site judgment, what about massive production lines? Stick around. The Financial Times warns of a 146,000 engineer shortfall in semiconductors by 2029. These places need real people to fix equipment when it breaks at weird hours. AI can't grab a screwdriver and replace burnt-out parts. It's like your phone telling you the battery is dead, but you still need human hands to actually swap in a new one. The longer factories can't find enough engineers, the more money they lose. The fatal mistake? Ignoring artificial intelligence completely. Engineers who refuse the tools get outpaced, the same way drafters who skipped CAD vanished in the 90s. The answer? You need domain intuition, deep understanding of your field, plus AI fluency to stay ahead. Imagine 2040. You arrive on site, AR glasses label every live conductor, and your AI co-pilot whispers optimal reroutes. But your signature still lights the building. To summarize, AI equals supercharged intern, not boss. Field sign-off remains human. Talent gap equals opportunity.